Today, we continue to share this, the matching method of to or for suiting. KYDZ Bluetooth OBD connected. We light up the meter. Okay, let's take a look at the camera. Choo, choo. 21 MOBD. Bluetooth connection. After connecting, we choose 5C Smart Folding. This step is to read its ID. Take our keys. On the ID, it lost. It is convenient for subsequent online maintenance. The frame number was quickly identified. Then the two IDs above. What about the original car? We just need to paste it on the sensing area. It will be displayed on this interface. Or we use the device to read the ID. It's okay. I'll paste it now. And you see it right here. This is the ID of the original car. Then I took the original car keys. If necessary, stick it to the sensing area. Okay. Now what I took away is zeros. I'll put it on again. It senses. Next, we go to the cardboard and make a CS code reading. What about after getting the ID? Let's disassemble the key. Okay. After removing the glue, carefully press it on the top of the cardboard. Hold on. Turn over. According to the diagram listed on this chip. Click on this silver horn. Our equipment. Choose more. Select special features. Select 5C5D. Click. Okay. Okay. Tie the corners of your eyes and click to read. Very fast. Success. What about this time? We can restore the original car keys. Next, put it into our submachine. Click. Okay. Then you need to change the ID and enter the ID. This ID belongs to the original car. 013. This is the second one we collected. Then we enter. ID. Okay. This ID. And what I typed is completely consistent. Good click. Okay? Click. Okay. What's next? Click on the kid's slave in this drop-down menu. Then put the slave into the sensing area. Right. Directly. Okay. This one reminds us whether it's a new model or an old model. We can actually tell by looking at the original car keys. If there is this small star anise on the front, choose the new one. If you don't have small star anise, choose the old one. Good frequency. Good dealer key generation is successful. We are next. Enter this service number and get on the bus to study. What about after we get in the car? Connect Bluetooth OBD. Click after the mobile phone is connected. MOBD. Bluetooth connection and then 5C Smart Folding to confirm. Then click Learn. Then enter the service number just now. Click. Okay. Click. Okay. At this point, we open the hood, light up the meter. Put the key in the sensing area. Just stick it like this. Then, okay, total number of inputs. Click. Okay. Okay, there's 1 bar, 2 bars, top left. Next, the device prompts us to put the second one. We put the second key. Click OK to see the top left of the meter. 2 bar 2. Learning completed will be displayed immediately on device. Okay. Don't forget to unplug our OBD at this time. A 5C. Such a type that I couldn't imagine before. Device palettes with KYDZ quickly. It can be done in 20 minutes.